Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. I'm really excited to show you in this video today how to build a website using the platform for your baby clothing store. Now, if you just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month for the service, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, baby clothing store. There is an option for a baby store as well, but for this one, I specifically stock baby clothing. So I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marcy Sites a few basic details about our baby clothing store. Let's go ahead and put in our company name, as well as our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our email address. And let's move along. Great. Where is our clothing store located? I'm going to go ahead and put in our street address as well as our postal code and move along. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We closed on Sundays. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along and click next. You can click on update location and it updates hours if you need to make any changes. And look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my baby clothing store in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and super cute. However, if you've got your own images, which I'm sure you do, of all your awesome baby clothing in stock, and you want to make one or two changes to the content that was pre-written for you, you can do that. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom, each section, so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. That baby is so adorable. So let's get cracking. I'm now going to head to the top, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section at the top. Let's go ahead and do that. Great. So now the first thing I want to do is click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. My address, I've already put in the details, and the great thing about it is when my customers click on that, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to my physical location. Let's make sure that's saved and head over to update social links. Now, I'm assuming that your baby clothing store is really active on social media. Go ahead and pop in your various social media platforms, and the icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. Let's click save and let's move along. We're making such great progress. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name and it still looks really great. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse my device and I'm going to upload it. Awesome. If you don't have a logo, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. There are a few free great options on there, so do check it out. The logo has been updated. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and save it and move along. Now, with Marty Sites, we've also pre-selected the colors for you used throughout your website. However, on your signage throughout your baby clothing store, on your logo, on your business cards. Perhaps you've used a completely different color, maybe a little bit more neutral than this. So you don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on the handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various color palettes available. So I want something quite soft. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this one. Maybe not that one. Let's go ahead and try pink. That's great as well. Let me look at one or two more options. That one looks really pretty, so I think I might say that one. Let me look at one more page. No, I think that's perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and save that one and move along. I'm now going to head to update section and head to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, all you need to do is browse your device and upload it. This image is already really suitable, but I'm going to go ahead and search the photo library just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how to change it. The multi-sites will automatically search for baby clothing store, but I'm going to go ahead and change it to baby clothing and see what pops up. You do need to play around with the terms just a little bit. Let's look at one more page. There are a few great options here, but I'm going to go ahead and change the terms. So I'm going to go ahead and put in baby romper and see what pops up. I know that's a popular baby term. So let's look at one page. Okay, there's so many cute images to choose from. I actually have no idea which one I want to choose. I actually want to use them all. Let's go ahead and look for one more term. Let's look for toddler clothes and see what pops up. Awesome. So here's a few great options. This one's really awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. As I said, you do need to play around with the terms a little bit, but all those images are completely free to use. Look at that. That looks absolutely perfect. I'm now going to hit to update content. Feel free to change the title and subtitles to suit your needs. Button can link to various places. So let's go ahead and put get directions instead of get in touch and go ahead and choose a link. Now we can link to another website. We can link to an action like click to call, click to email, or directions. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one in. But one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a catalog of the various baby clothing items you have in stock or your current specials or promotions. Go ahead and upload it as PDF format so your customers can click on that button and automatically be taken to that PDF file. Over here, another section, pre-written content button can be changed to various places to link to. All you need to do is click on update section and make those changes. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the baby clothing industry, how long your business has been running for, where you source your clothing from, are they affordable options? Go ahead and put as much details here as possible. Another great spot for a high quality image. On to the next section. This image is absolutely perfect, so I'm leaving it as is. If you want to choose one from the photo library or upload one of your own, all you need to do is click on update section. We've now made our way into the services section where we can put a little bit more details of the different services our baby clothing store offers. So do you stock rompers and bodysuits, leggings, sleep suits, sets, blankets, bibs, gifts? Go ahead and put all those details over here so your customers know what exactly they can find at your baby clothing store. That image is super adorable, so I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. And that outfit is so cute, so I'm moving along. Over here, if you need to make any changes to that address and the trading hours, all you need to do is click on update section over there. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our baby clothing store in literally less than 10 minutes. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to hire anyone to help me. And I certainly didn't need to be super tech savvy myself. Only going to cost me $9 a month. And there is that free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So go ahead and click on the link below this video. I'm now going to head to stop editing and head over to the site dashboard. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect a domain and set it up. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website www.mightysites.com, as well as some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. So do make sure you check it out. If you don't have a custom domain already, I'm really excited to let you know you can now purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform. Really exciting. We've just introduced the feature So go ahead and do that if you don't have your custom domain. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your baby clothing store. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.